Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. And you?
I'm also good. You're looking stunning.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. I am really so happy.
Me too, dear. Me too, dear. So, before moving ahead, please tell me about yourself. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
I said that please introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as you know, I am Nidhi Sharma and I am basically belong from UP.
Okay.
After marriage, I am living in Kolkata, Dadam.
Okay.
And my father is Arun Sharma, basically belong from UP, and he is a driver, and my mother is a teacher.
Oh,
And
okay.
I
Great.
have done my in last year 2021. Sorry,
Okay.
2020,
Okay. You're
and
MA?
that's all. Yeah, ma'am. I have done also MA in English, but I can't more speak in English because of I have no more environment. That's
Okay.
all.
And other than MA, I mean, apart from MA, what you said, what is the other degree you have?
I have BA. I have
B.
done my BA after an MA.
Okay, okay, okay. I
Yes.
heard like you have done B.Ed.
BEd, yes, ma'am, absolutely. I have done my BEd in last year,
Yeah,
2020.
that is I'm trying to know. Yeah, yeah. Okay, great. So basically, you want to become a teacher.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Teacher is become is not as a teacher. Teacher is my passion. I really
Oh,
feel like that it's so good job for a ladies and other person. I really
okay.
like teaching.
So
Yes, ma'am.
see, I mean, there is a difference between if you talk about passion. So passion is something different, and if you are thinking in the terms of career, so these both are different. But when your passion become career, so it is amazing. It is wonderful thing. Yeah. So yeah, it is good for you. I think that your
Ma'am, tell me
passion is
about
teaching.
something.
Yeah.
Tell me about something yourself.
Okay. Okay. So I'm Megha, as you know, and I'm from Chhattisgarh. I'm a teacher
Oh,
in primary school. Yeah, I'm a government teacher, and I have done my MA in the stream of art. I mean, I have done MA in English literature, but not my whole study in English. I had pursued my graduation in the science stream. Okay, so just sake
oh.
of
Yes, ma'am.
career, I must say I had to choose English as my subject for MA. Yeah, and other than that, nowadays I'm running YouTube, as you know, right?
Yes, ma'am. Why you learning to speak English because you have a good job, a government job, and you are well educated. Then why you are thinking that I have to speak English conversations all?
Okay, so yeah, that is good point. You never ever, I mean, no one have asked me so far this question. So yeah, I would like to give the answer. So yes, you're right. I have a government job, and I have done my almost all degrees, whatever I want, I mean, whatever individual should have, like masters, bachelor degree, then master degree. So yeah, I have, but um, like you said, you are passionate about teaching. Similarly, I am passionate about learning English. I really want to become fluent speaker. I mean, I really wanted earlier as well, and I'm working on it. So, and not just fluent. I mean, now I can say I can speak in a fluent way, but I want fluent with accurate manner. I don't want to make any mistakes while speaking English. So this is something I really want to achieve. Okay, and like you said, English is passion as well as my requirement. Like I love to communicate people. I love to visit. different places, and I basically I want to do something new in my life. Because I got my job in earlier age. So there is something in my always something some thoughts in my mind that I should give some interviews, I should crack some interviews in private organization. I need to improve my personality, I need to improve my communication skills, I need to improve everything, right? And English is very important nowadays. We cannot deny that
Yes,
without English we
I
will
suffered
survive.
that I have lots of problem, ma'am, because of English. When I
Yeah.
am living, I was lived in UP, then I feel like then it's okay. I know, but when I am after marriage, I am coming in Kolkata. Then I am suffering from lots of problem, like as a food, like as uh, the language. Bengali
Yeah.
language is a local language,
Yeah.
and English is most important. Without English, maybe anything, anyone can do anything
Yeah.
better than.
I
Yes,
mean,
ma'am.
you're not limited only with your country. There is lots of opportunities across the world. You can do anything anywhere, you know?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I mean, there is no restriction after once you have a good command on English, then you can do anything across the world. And I really want to explore the world. So I feel that language is very important part whenever you want to do this sort of things. So I must be good at English. So please tell me about yourself, your hobbies. I am talking about myself. I don't want to talk about myself.
I have four siblings, two brother, two sister, and my hobby is singing song.
Oh, so
And yes, ma'am.
can we have a song here? I mean, a good chance to listen your song.
Why not? Uh, Say me any song. What
Okay,
I sing.
Hindi song, any Hindi peaceful song.
Hindi song.
Yeah, whatever you like.
Ma'am, I feel too nervous.
Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. Any song which
uh,
you really like to sing.
Allah Waria, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Go
Allah
ahead.
Waria.
I'm eagerly waiting to listen you.
Allah Waria, maybe I not remember that. किसे पूछूं? Yeah, ma'am. ठीक है.
Okay, okay.
किसे पूछूं ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जहां है खुशी के गम कहाँ ढूंढूं बेनिसा सा वक्त भी यहाँ है जाने कितने लबों पे गिले हैं जिंदगी के कई फासले हैं पसीजते हैं सपने क्यों आंखों में लकीरें जब छूटे इन हाथों से यूं बेवजह जो भेजी थी दुआ खुदा के आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा.
Oh my
Finish,
God.
ma'am.
You are amazing, dear. What a voice you have. Voice you have. I must say you are amazing. I loved it. It was wonderful to hear you. I would love to
Thank
listen
you.
you again and again. I have to do more
Ma'am,
sessions with you. Now I have to do more sessions with you.
what's your hobby, ma'am?
Okay, so I also, love to sing songs, and sometimes I hum as well. And gardening, cooking, walking, playing badminton. yeah, visiting new places. These are my hobbies. But I am not good like you. Well, I just hum. I mean, yeah, in random way. If I'm doing some work in kitchen, I do work. Sorry, or I do something else. So I just start humming. Yeah. But you are
Ma'am,
amazing.
you have a think. I want to say something. Your
Yeah.
smile is really too good.
No, don't say. I mean, now I need to say that your smile is too good. I'm fan of you. You know, after listening your song, I must say that yeah, it was amazing experience to listen you. You have a good uh, voice quality as well, and you know all the rhythms. I mean, did you learn singing anywhere?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so
In
you
no, ma'am.
it
I
is God gifted.
never. Yeah, ma'am. It's
Oh my
God
God.
gifted.
But you need to do more practice. You can be a singer, I think so.
Time. I have no time for it, ma'am, because of I have preparing for CTET exam and speaking courses, joining institute speaking courses, and lots of work after marriage. You
Yeah,
never understand now.
I
Because
can
you are
understand. I can understand. But I mean, I must say that you also like to sing a song. So why not uh, give some time for this hobby or passion as well? I can see that you love to do singing, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But yeah, you can do so many things. Just need to do some time management, and you can do anything. Girls are very, I mean, must say that girls are very great about time management. They are multitasker, and you are also multitasker. You are, I mean, you got married. You are taking responsibility of your family. You are preparing for your examination. You are studying. So just give time to your singing as well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to say something? Please say. I feel that you want to say some more things to me.
No, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I want to say, uh, can I speak what I speak correct sentence and what I speak wrong sentence?
Oh
You
yeah,
tell me.
yeah. I'll try. I cannot say that I'll do in correct manner, but I'll try. Okay. So best wishes for your life. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope that you will achieve all your dreams, all your goals, and you soon
Thank
you will
you so much.
become a good teacher as well, professor.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye, bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
bye.